Guys, how are you doing? Today I will be show you how can you replace the faucet pull out mixer faucet. This faucet is broken from this area. Sometimes you can fix it, but in this case I can't fix it because the problem here and it's difficult to fix it, but I will be show you how can you fix it in another case. Okay, we need this tool, not all this tool, but sometimes need all of them. And I'm already ordered this new faucet, and I will be started to this the direction. It's not light here. Let me show you the light. Give me 1 second. I'll go for.
Yep.
This is the direction for the new faucet, and I will be work in. This is the new faucet. This is the blade. The new plate, and this tube, and this is the faucet. This pull out mixer. This point I told you about. Sometime the leaking coming from here, we can fix it, just change this area, but in my case it's difficult because it's very old. And we have the heavy ball, we need it, and the gas gate, and rubber washer, and another washer, and net, and this two gas gate. First of all, I will be connect this two pipe. I will be connect this two pipe and first, and you can see this two side. This side go in the faucet, and this side go to the water supplies. I will be speak a little bit Arabic. اليوم راح نغير الخلاط مكسور هنا. نحاول جبنا خلاط جديد، وراح نشوف شلون راح نغير الخلاط. اول شيء راح نربط البايبات بالخلاط. we connect the tube in faucet. Usually the left for the hot water and the right for the cold water. That's usually in most of them. And in this case also just make sure. Sometimes you can see this two. That's the left for the hot and the right for the cold. Same thing I will be this the right, and the tube is blue, it means cold, and red, it means hot. Sometime you don't found this, just you found label. And also and also sometimes if you don't have label or the like this, you can just make sure put it the right for the cold and the left for the hot. Sorry. Now I will be connected this pipe here. This two gas gate, small gas gate, and now I fix it. Be careful when don't tighten it, just handle and be careful. This is the first one. I'll use the tight, but not very tight. Just make sure it is what did I say to it? The hot one in another side, and same thing, just be careful. Just tight it, but don't very tight, just make sure it's after this step. I will be open the old one. Should be cut off the water، يعني لازم تكون متأكد إنه الماء مسدود. Let me show you. If you I will be open this two screw. I try to focus in and make sure is the I will be open this two screw. And first of all, I will be open this white ball and this connection that this two pipe to remove it. I I try to, it is difficult, but I try to show you. Just open this. I'm already opened the two line and blow out the line also, and white ball is easy. And now I will be open this. Now I will be go up to continue. Just let me make sure. I opened this washer, and now it's ready to pull out. I will be clean this and come back for you.
Okay.
I will be clean this and come back to continue.
Yeah.
Now it's clean, and you see this is 3 hole. We need just 1 hole. Will be cover this 2 hole and this plate, the new plate, and this is the gas gate, new gas gate also, like this.
موقف.
قشطة. You know, every faucet is different way to complete tightening, and this kind I have is different about the old one. The old one have this screw and 2 washer, but in this new one I will be show you. We have this gas gate and 2 washer, but this is different. The old one this washer, and the new one this washer, but it's same way. This gas gate should be go here in the top, and this 2 washer go underneath. It's easy. Go here in this channel, this gas gate. Do not allow the water go inside the cabin. just make sure it's working before you. Oh, I forget something before. It's easy. Let me show you, because this is different about this one. Should be put this two screw before I I put this screw before I let me show you. This go here. Same thing is not. And remove the net, because we need the net underneath. هناك يعني عدة طرق الربط الحنفية. Wrong way. Remove the net, because you need the net underneath. Now the rubber washer in the top, and another washer in the bottom, and the two screw. I will be finish this. I connect this finish. I will be connect this and connect this pipe. Pull out pipe here, and this two pipe for the water valve, and will be done. I will show you how to finish this part. Just make sure everything's okay. Now it's ready, but I want, before I tight it, I tight it before I tight it, we go up to make sure is the faucet is straight. Let me go up. I checked now, it's okay, it's straight and everything is okay, and the pull out, it's working, so everything is okay. And I tightened the two net underneath, but I found it that the two tube is short. For this reason I went to the Home Depot and bring two tube to connection to the tube, for I can connect with the water supplies valve. This two tube same size, but should be make sure when you order this tube, this go to the water supplies and this go to the connection with the tube or the line for the faucet, but should be like this one, have cover, remove the cover and connect with the tube underneath. And another thing, because this you don't have any red line or red label, I use the market and write down here H or hot, and write down for the another one C or cold, just to make sure I put it this one with the blue tube and put this one with the red tube. يعني احنا الصوندات مالتنا طلعت قصيرة، فاشتريت هاي الصوندين وسجلت عليهن انه هذا بارد وهذا حار حتى اربطهن بال. Another thing should be make now is the heavy bowl. Heavy bowl, the new one is easy, just open it like this. Use the heavy bowl for the pull out handle, right? To easy go back and keep straight. This is put it down, just open it and like this and close. But in this one underneath, I will be show you how to put it and where put it. And what go. This two valve I will be connect with this two tube, the hot and cold, and this one, I will be connect with the pull out handle. This for pull out handle is go there. I connect the tube الصوندات بالكاك water supplies valve, and this the cold water, and this the hot water, and this the heavy ball in pull out handle. Should be, you know, this curve should be put it in this side to make the handle go down, and lid, and I will be open. I open the water, and let me show you. I open the water. I will show you. Nice, and move two way, and when to left is hot, to right is cold, and thank you so much. Something is we can do it. It's not very difficult, and we can save money. And if you like this video, can subscribe and like, and thank you so much. هاي العملية سهلة مو صعبة، بس إن عملية ربط وما تحتاج إنه نجيب maintenance for this easy work. Thank you and have a good day, and see you in next video. Bye bye.